Testing, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey. I think we got it. Oh shit. Cat. Today's a different video because I got something new. And it's awesome because I could sit right here and use it. I think I can. Does it reach from over there? Maybe. But I know that I can go all the way over here and still works. So that's pretty cool. I come back and I sit down right here and it still works. So basically what I got was one of those wireless kind of microphone things that reach to places, and I can clip it onto things. Like my t-shirt if I wanted. If I could, there we go. See? And then I can also clip it to my toothbrush and pretend my toothbrush is a microphone for reporting things, because I've always wanted one of these. I think the audio is better than with my camera, and it'll kind of single it out to where it's just my audio and you don't have to hear like the surrounding things, and it gives me more confidence in some ways. But basically it was like this $40 thing, and AlvaxCon blah 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 blah, something like that. And it comes with a wireless headset and shit. It's got this, and then it also comes with like this other headset thing that's really cool. So this is like a shitty unboxing video. Accessories. So we got here. It comes with this like other thing that it comes with the cable that I can like connect to my phone, and then connects to the wireless like receiver thing. And then there's this other like transmitter. Oops, shit, you don't want to bend that thing up. And you plug the microphone that you're using into it. You just put it in your pocket and you turn it on, and then you turn on like the receiver and it automatically connects to each other. And then you plug it into whatever you're using, and it also comes with like this camera cable, and I think it works with like computers too. And then there's this like actual headset thing that you put over your head. And so I'm all very proud of all of these things, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but I know if I want to do something with it, I can, because it works amazing in my opinion. I just keep everything in this nice little box, and I love the box because it makes me feel fancy, even though I don't think it's that fancy, but it just looks really, it feels nice to me for it to put something away. Bada bing, bada boom. I'm gonna go put the box up. I'll be back. I put the box away. Watch this shit. Let's demonstrate. So I'm gonna go out my door. I'm gonna go this way. And I'm gonna keep talking to myself because that's what I do. And I'm gonna go out the door. And I gotta be really quiet because I don't want my nephew to hear me, because he has an obsession with me. And I'm gonna walk away. And then I'm gonna walk in the kitchen. And I'm gonna walk down the hallway. And then I'm gonna walk back through my other door that you didn't know I had. And then I'm gonna pop out the side here. So basically this thing works really well. I'm deeply in love with it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but great things, great future plans. Let's go over here and do something stupid. Not really sure what else to do now. I guess I ought to end the video here or something, but I just don't really feel like ending it right now because I feel like there's so much more that I could be doing for like entertainment stuff, but like, what? Anyways, I guess I ought to quit recording this so I can upload it to shit and then get it ready for editing, which probably won't take very long since well, right now I have 6 minutes running, so we'll probably end up with like a 2 or 3 minute video. Probably less than that. Most likely less than that. Anyways, this is not WoW reporting live from his office. Like and subscribe and comment, please.